Well, hey guys, and welcome to this weekly edition of my 2 p.m. weekly roundup. Let's have a look at what's been going on in the week. Let's crack on and get straight into it. Some exciting things happening. So, do we want to do bots first? Let's look at the news first and actually see what actually happened in the news this week. Okay. Oh, you don't want that. Okay, technical glitch. Right, there we go. Right, so as you can see, this is Forex Factory, and we've just had some dollar news, actually positive news for the dollar. You can see this core price PCE was the actual figure was 0.3%, and the employment cost index was 1.2. So really, it's better than the forecast. So that's positive for the dollar. So I expect if we look at the dollar, and we've got the Dixie there. So yeah, the dollar has gone up today, but it's come back down again. So I'm assuming, really, this drop on the dollar has possibly affected gold. Yep, and gold has been a bit volatile, as you can see here. Right, I don't know what's going on with my screens today. Okay. Let's forget that. Let's just look at the bots, see how well they're doing. That's more interesting. Need to get rid of that black line. There you go. Right. Okay, so bot trading. How's it all doing? So we've got a number of bots live at the moment. As you can see, I'm going to turn myself off there so you can actually read the figures. So I'm not sure if you can see that on the bottom left hand corner, but this is one of the gold. It's a Gold Pro. Now, what's the profit this has made? As you can see down there, it's £4,052 on this particular bot since when I started it. So this is, I'm actually renaming this one to Gold Flow. So all history there. Okay, you can see at the bottom is £4,052, 35 pence profit. Okay, so it's £4,052 and 35 pence profit. Now, as you can see as well, I've deposited just under £12,000 into that account over the time, but I've actually withdrawn 10,708. So really, the balance at the moment, which is 5,341, you can see on the top right hand side, that's more or less all profit. Okay, so that's a gold flow. We have another gold flow running as well. Haven't got this on this particular VPS. Now VPS, if you don't already know, it's a virtual server. Okay, so the bots can operate throughout the night, that sort of thing. So what's happened just now, obviously with the news, it's moved gold. It's actually moved gold up a little bit. And this is great conditions really for bot trading. You see there's lots on this particular Gold Rush demo. Now there's lots of trades that are just two more profits just been made. Okay, this is a demo account. I've got a real one of these I can show you in a minute. But this is a demo account, the Gold Rush, and it's been running for 20th of March. Okay, so it's all real data. real live. Everything's live. The only thing with this particular account is it's a demo account. But you can see there's made all of these trades since the 20th of March. Okay, so we are, let's just call it 6 weeks. So in 6 weeks on a 20,000 demo account, done all these trades, all on gold, buy, sell, etc., and has made £6,965.46. So let's write that down, 6,965.46. Okay. Okay, so that's not real money, so it's not really that relevant, but you can see the performance of that. Now this is another demo account actually. This is the Gold Bionic ATB. Now, again, as you can see, lots of trades taking place, and it's made 1,248 demo. That is since 24th of March, so let's call it 5 weeks. We'll call it 6 weeks again. Okay, so that's 1,248.05. Okay, those two are demos. The rest are real accounts, real live accounts. This is a gold Genius. Now, I just started this one a few days ago. It's one of our bots. Now, the beauty of this bot is that it's what we're doing here is allowing you to change all of the settings. We'll tell you all of the settings, exactly what's in this particular bot, and you can test it out yourself. So, let's say, for example, you want to do a back test. You go onto your VPS, which is a virtual server, which we can help you get set up with. And then you go to the strategy tester here, and you can just basically test the whole of the bot out on different settings. So if we go to the settings, and we try the 1 hour chart. Okay, expert properties, so we want properties, the expert advisor, so you've got all these different settings that you can use for the bot. Okay, now I'm not going to change these settings on the live bot at the moment because it's currently in a trade, and it's not actually currently in a trade, looking at it. Nope, that's just a trade from today. But the way we've designed this particular bot is that you can change everything. Okay, so for example, if we run a selection of settings, so you've got stop loss here, so the stop loss can be set, for example, on the last fractal, okay, or fixed points. Okay, so it's fixed points, so there's no stop loss there for that particular trade. Now we have got an equity protector built in there as well, so you've got maximum drawdown. So if you wanted to just protect 90% of your account or 95% of your account, you can do that. Okay, so at the moment that is on 99.9. So I'm just going to run this test. And you can just see what the bot would have done in those conditions. Now that is currently set for the date the 1st of February. Okay, so the idea of this bot is that you test yourself and you try it out yourself, because what might work for me might not work for you. And the thing is, you could go online, you could buy a trading bot, you could pay up to £20,000 for this trading bot, we could get a free one. But the problem is when you put on real money and you don't know what it's doing, that's when it's risky. And what we're doing here at Sandrock Technologies is showing you exactly how our bots work. So, okay, so that was, on those settings, it would have lost £7,000 out of £10,000. Now, let's try another setting. And this is what you do. You test them. Okay. You test until you get the results, and then you put it on real money. So stop loss on last fractal. So stop loss fixed points. Let's not save that. Let's load it. And you run the test again until you get some good results. So here's the Gold Bionic. Now this is a demo account as well. Let's look at some real accounts here. So there's a Gold Rush on demo. This is a Gold Bionic. Went live the other day. Okay, it's only made £6 on a £1,000 account. So this is just in testing stage on real money. So it is live. It does actually say demo there. That's a coding issue. We just need to. So I'm ready to switch this one back on again now. Let's switch that back on. Switch it on there. We've got a smiley face at the top. Settings are all here. So that's all fine. And then OK. So that is now running. Okay. Now, my favourite bot really here at the moment is the Gold Rush ATB. Now, you can see this is a live account. It was on just under £1,000 account. Now, as you can see, it's taken all these profits. Some of them are little losses as well. Bearing in mind some big losses here. But overall, all of these trades, it has made £763 profit on £1,000. Okay, so there was a deposit of £500 that I put in, and there was also £500 already in the account when I started trading this bot, which was on the 18th of April. So that's more or less 2 weeks ago. So it's done 75. So account history, so 75%, 76%. So 76% profit in 2 weeks. So yeah, that's a good one. All right, all these bots are available now. What we have available is a starting point with an Emax trader bot with an alerter. Now, that alerter is what the alerter does is tells you when the trade is ready, and then the next stage is to put the actual trading bot on the chart, and it's as simple as that. It'll take the trade if it's right. Now that's for the Emax. So the idea of this whole process is to teach you how to manage bots and how to trade bots. So what we've designed with the Emax system is a trading system that allows you to understand and get your head around how to trade bots, because we show you exactly what's in the bot, what it does, how it does it, so you can adjust those settings. So you start with the Emax Trader bot, and then once you're competent on that bot, then we allow you to potentially get involved with our other range of bots. Now, obviously, this Gold Rush one, which I've just showed you just now, which has made 76% in 2 weeks. Yeah, I mean, that is outstanding results, you know, and it's pretty safe as well. So the way I've been managing this trading bot, there is a way of managing it. There is a way of increasing the profits for a short period of time, which I will show you in another video. So yeah, it's been an eventful week for Sandrock Technologies. We've had a lot going on, and yeah, some good profits been made this week. Obviously on my pro account, I've made some profits on Palladium as well. I'm out of most of my gold now, so I'm just waiting for a pullback on gold, because I believe that there's a possibility that selling may go away. And also we're at the end of the month as well. Today is the end of the trading month. So let's just turn my screen off again there. You can see the Gold Rush is possibly just about to make a little tiny bit of profit. Okay, and this is working on low risk settings at the moment. So what I would do, I'll show you a strategy in another video, but there is a way of maximizing these profits on the Gold Rush. Now if we go back to like the Gold Pro, for example, the Gold Pro, I'm going to switch that back on now. That's what I'm doing, switching it back on there. You see it's there, it's just taken the trade already. Okay, so that is a live trade on £5,341. Okay, so that trade potentially, okay, it's got a little stop loss there as well, so it's protecting. But the way the Gold Pro or the Gold Flow works is it will be selling on the way up and buying on the way down. So, and the way that gold moves, this is why all of our bots, apart from the Emax bot, all of our bots are traded on gold against the dollar. We are going to run tests on trading gold against other currencies as well. So if your native currency is in Australia, for example, Australian dollar, then we will be running tests. Maybe the Gold Genius is one for running the tests for those different markets. And that's it from me for today. That is our bot trading business where we are making profits. We have a number of bots available as well on other accounts actually, which I can just show you quickly. Remote desktop. Yeah, I got a bit of a technical issue with my my software today, but there we go. You've seen the bots, you've seen what's going on, and that is where we're at with all of that. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you on Monday at 10 a.m. Actually, it's Bank Holiday Monday, isn't it, in the UK? So maybe I'll shift that to Tuesday this week, but normally I'll be on at Monday morning at 10 a.m. UK time, and on a Friday every week at 2 p.m. rounding out the week. Thank you guys, and have a good weekend.